step into the Ram 2019 1500 Classic Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include quick order package 27B Tradesman included, engine 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFD, Tradesman package, gross vehicle weight, 6,800 pounds, STD, 3.92 rear axle ratio, diesel gray black heavy duty vinyl 40/20/40 split bench seat, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFD, tires, P265/70R17 BSWS, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7 steel, STD, anti-spin differential rear axle and bright white clear coat. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase.